The 2026 Ford Mustang GTD is not just another muscle car, it's a track-focused monster that redefines what a modern Mustang can be. Built with inspiration from Ford's GT3 racing program, the GTD takes performance, engineering, and design to a level far beyond what we've seen from any production Mustang before. This isn't just about raw horsepower, it's about precision, aerodynamics, and the kind of technology that blurs the line between road car and race car. At first glance, the exterior makes a bold statement. Wide and aggressive, the GTD looks every bit like a track weapon. The sculpted body features carbon fiber panels that not only reduce weight but also improve aerodynamics. The massive front splitter, active rear wing, and functional vents channel airflow in a way that increases downforce while keeping drag under control. The stance is wider than the standard Mustang, and with its race-inspired suspension, the GTD sits low and ready to attack corners. Ford designed this machine to dominate at places like Nürburgring, and you can tell just by looking at it. Under the hood, the GTD packs a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, producing over 800 horsepower. That's right, this Mustang isn't just powerful, it's in supercar territory. The engine is paired with an advanced dual-clutch transmission mounted at the rear for better weight distribution, giving the GTD nearly perfect balance. With rear-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, it's engineered to deliver brutal acceleration while still offering razor-sharp handling. This car isn't just built to go fast in a straight line, it's designed to carve corners with precision and stay planted at insane speeds. The suspension system is one of the most impressive features. Ford has integrated an adaptive setup inspired by race cars, with a pushrod design that enhances stability and responsiveness. Adjustable ride height allows the driver to optimize the car for track or street, giving flexibility that's rare in production cars. Combine that with carbon ceramic brakes, lightweight wheels, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, and you have a package capable of tackling some of the most demanding tracks in the world. Step inside, and the GTD continues to impress. The cabin strips away unnecessary distractions while still keeping a modern and premium feel. Recaro racing seats, Alcantara surfaces, and carbon fiber trim dominate the interior, reminding you that this is a driver's car first. The steering wheel is race-inspired with integrated controls, and digital displays provide real-time performance data. Unlike traditional Mustangs, the GTD prioritizes performance-focused ergonomics over comfort, making sure the driver is connected to the car at all times. Ford has made it clear that the GTD is more than just a limited edition halo car, it's a statement of intent. This Mustang shows that American muscle can compete with the best European supercars, not just in terms of power, but in handling, technology, and design. Production will be extremely limited, and with its high price tag, the GTD will be exclusive to a select few. But its existence changes the conversation around what a Mustang can be. The 2026 Ford Mustang GTD is raw, futuristic, and engineered with racing DNA. It's not just about owning a Mustang, it's about owning a piece of motorsport technology brought to the streets. Whether it's tearing down straights with over 800 horsepower or hugging corners at blistering speeds, the GTD proves that Ford is willing to push the Mustang legacy into uncharted territory. This isn't just a car, it's a legend in the making.